Hello friends, welcome to Elango Notes. In this video, I am going to show how to use a funny Linux command named aafire command. So this is a funny Linux command. This command is mainly used to show ASCII art of fire in your Linux terminal. An important note, by default this command is not installed on your machine, so you need to install it externally based on the type of your Linux distribution. And here is the example for installing aafire command on the Debian family. So just type sudo apt-get install libya-bin. So this is the syntax for using aafire command. Once you install the command, you simply type aafire without any arguments and you will get the output like this. Now I will show the demo in Replit IT. So this is the online Linux terminal. Here I have installed this command. Now I will show the demo. So just type aafire without any arguments and simply enter. So here you can see the fire art in the Linux terminal. So if you want to stop this, just press Ctrl X. That's all friends. If you want to more tutorials on Linux, visit elangonotes.com as well as Elango Tech Notes YouTube channel. Thank you.